What's up guys, so today we're going to be installing the pedal commander. As you can see, it's very small. I don't have very large hands, and by where it's mounted right here. I went ahead and just mounted it right here. So first thing you're going to want to do is find your mounting place where you actually want it, and that's where you're going to want to start to run your cables in behind this panel right here. To do this, what you're going to need is a panel popping tool right here. You know, it's a lot easier if you have this. You don't really need it. You can use a flathead if you want. And a T25 Torx head. Underneath here, there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and I think there's some actually along here too. We're gonna pop this off first, and then we'll get this off. All right, guys. So now we got that removed. There was a 1 bolt here, and the 3 on the bottom, and you literally just kind of like pull this down, and these clips just come right out. It's really easy. And you're gonna get your pedal commander. Can't talk. And you're just gonna kind of like run the cable up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and mount it back inside its little holder, so it just kind of holds it for me. And let's see, I think the best way I'm gonna do this, because I like to make everything look as OEM as possible, because I don't like aftermarket stuff. And you're just gonna snap everything back in, like so, and you'll have the cable hanging out the bottom down here. And you'll put your bolts back on, and we'll go to actually plugging everything in up underneath here. Okay guys, so this is a little bit of a tight fit, but okay, so here's your throttle right here, okay? Use my little pointy pencil. Going up the throttle, you see this, there's really good instructions too that come with this thing. See this little red thing? You're gonna pull that out just a little bit and kind of push it up, and what that does, that little red thing's actually gonna come out, okay? Then you're gonna plug up the female end to the factory male end, and then the new male end from the product itself to the factory female end. And all you do is press it in. It'll all go in like that, and then you simply press down the clip all the way, locks it in, and you're good to go, okay? Now what you're gonna do after that, make sure your keys are about, it says recommended 35 feet away, because what you're gonna do is that's gonna basically kind of kill the power to the vehicle on a little bit, is what the instructions say. Instructions are really self-explanatory though. I ran the cable up, right here's the cable, going up there, up into this around, this is light bar cables. It goes up into here, behind all this little jazz, and here's the little box. Alright, so that's the little install over the pedal commander. It's got a couple settings, which I will actually go over later on here in a bit, and be doing some driving videos over this also to show the difference in acceleration. This thing is fast.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now.